Hello, everybody. I'm Matt Stewart, and I'm from an organisation called Entrepreneur Me. For over 20 years, my company has been working with Lanarkshire schools, encouraging, believe it or not, entrepreneurship. We've worked all over both South Lanarkshire and North Lanarkshire, encouraging young people to be do-good entrepreneurs, to learn about business, to learn about positive mindset, positive attitude, to learn about money, to learn about teamwork, to learn about resilience. And I'm delighted to say that on Thursday, the 6th of February, I'm coming along to St John Paul II Primary School in Viewpark. Now, I've been to St John Paul II a number of times in the past, and it really is a magnificent school. But on Thursday, the 6th of February, the young people from P6 and P7 will be taking part in my programme called Enterprise is the Business. And if I could give you a little bit of an introduction to it, and how that you could possibly come along. It would be brilliant to see you there. The young people are going to be entrepreneurs for the day, and they're going to set up their own businesses. And they'll be working in a team of 8 young people. They'll apply for a job. They'll look at their own individual strengths. They'll match their strengths to the different job opportunities. So we'll have a managing director, we'll have a salesperson, we'll have a finance manager, we'll have an HR manager, we'll have a quality controller, and there's 8 jobs within their group. So first of all, the young people will set up their business, they'll apply for a job, and then they will apply for a loan. Now, when I say apply for a loan, it's a pretty easy loan that they can apply for, but they'll get granted £25, which is, enterprise money, and they will start their company. Now, in the hall at the school, there's going to be a few areas. There's going to be a buyer's area, there's like a shop, there's going to be a sales area, there's going to be a bank, and the young people are going to use their £25 to buy lots of different materials and resources. And some of it is quite expensive, some of it's good value, but the young people are going to have to budget and learn about money and think about what they're buying for their business, for their factory. And they'll bring the materials back to their table, then all 8 of them will get, the Scottish expression, they'll get steamed in making stuff, and it'll be like really, really, really busy as all 8 kids in the business are fully engaged manufacturing different products. And of course, the products have to be quality controlled. They have to meet a certain criteria. And then the young person, the salesperson, would then go and sell them to a panel of buyers. If they're successful in selling them, they get paid with a cheque. And the cheque goes back to the business, it then goes to the bank, they cash their cheque, and their money starts to grow through the day. But, there's lots of other challenges for the young people to overcome. We have a get-rich-quick scheme, which is like an investment opportunity that I won't tell you too much, but it might not work out the way that the kids expected it to. Because sometimes in life, get-rich-quick schemes, can be a wee bit not right, yeah? So I won't tell you too much, but it's great fun. The kids are busy, they're engaged. Now, here's what I'd like you to do. Working in partnership with Developing the Young Workforce Lanarkshire, it would be fantastic to see you coming along to St John Paul II primary in Viewpark. You'd be very welcome. Now, there's a couple of slots that you could come along. You could come along about 11 a.m, and stay till lunchtime, which is about 12:30. Or you could come after lunch, just the back of 1, and you could stay till round about 3 o'clock. Or if you were really motivated, you could come at 11 o'clock in the morning, stay all the way through to 3, and we could have a sandwich together at lunchtime and things. But for you, for us, it would be brilliant to see you there. And the young people, it would be brilliant for them to see you there. But for you, it would be a really great way for you to get involved with developing the young workforce in a way that is fully supported. So I'll be there, obviously. You could be a business buyer, and you'll be negotiating with the young people. You could be a shopkeeper, where you're selling them the resources that they need to make the products. Or you could even work in the bank. Or if you wanted to, you could become a tax collector. Yeah, and that is brilliant fun. Tell you about that on the day. But whatever you decide to do, I guarantee, I promise you, we'll have lots of laughs, we'll have lots of positivity, and the young people will be fully engaged, buzzing with excitement, making, buying, selling, whilst at the same time learning all about the world of work, the world of business, and entrepreneurship. I do hope that you can make it along. The Developing Young Workforce team would be delighted to hear from you. My name's Matt Stewart. I would be delighted to hear from you. You can find us around social media at Entrepreneur Me. If you want to ask any questions, please do. But if you can come along, it's a fantastic day and you'd be made very welcome. Thank you.